Today I'm going to teach you how to do a backflip without hands.
Okay. Now when you are doing a backflip without using your arm, you are using your abdominal muscle and your leg. So you have to master the backflip before you can try this. Most people think in order to do a backflip you have to use your hands, but you don't. Okay? Now the key to doing a backflip without using your arm is to slightly bow your head. Most people when they're doing backflip they pick a spot on the wall, but it's better to bow your head a little bit. This will allow your head from going back too much. So this will allow you to get a lot of height. So he bow his head a little bit, he jump really high. At the peak of the jump, he tuck his knee and he open. And it's that simple. And now you have to cover. So you can, when you're learning this move, you can use someone to spot you too. Okay, go. See? This way. When you are spotting, you don't want to be too close to the person, and you don't want to be too far away. And you don't want to spot the leg. You want to turn the hip. And it's that simple. But make sure you master the regular back tuck, like this. Before you try it with no end. Also do one with your hands behind your neck. And subscribe for more amazing videos. Okay, that was fun. And thank you. Let me see. Oh, thank you, Lloyd.